Are you tired of jumping between different apps just to find your favorite movies and shows? It is a common problem that wastes time and money. Today, I am showing you how to consolidate everything into one powerful app for your streaming device. This simple setup will give you a professional media center right at your fingertips. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. We are diving into a complete walkthrough for the ONN 4K streaming device. This guide works for almost any Android-based streamer out there. We are focusing on getting you the best results fast with zero technical fluff. Important downloader code and links have been mentioned in the description. First, we need to adjust one critical setting to make sure your apps stay on your device. Head over to the settings icon on your home screen and select Privacy. Scroll down to Security and look for the Play Protect option. You want to make sure the setting to scan apps with Play Protect is turned off. This prevents the system from accidentally deleting apps you have sideloaded. Now, let's get the tool we need to find everything else. Go to your Apps section and search for Downloader. It is the orange icon you will see in the results. Go ahead and install it. This app acts like a browser that allows you to install software not found in the standard store. Open Downloader and click through the Quick Start Guide. In the URL box, we are going to use a special shortcut code. Type in 370178 and hit go. This will take you directly to a verified download page. I recommend adding this page to your favorites in the downloader menu so you can find it again without typing the code. On this page, you will see the latest version of Kodi, which is 21.2. Click the download button and wait for it to finish. If your device says downloader is not authorized to install apps, just follow the prompt to settings and toggle the switch for downloader to on. Now you can hit install. Once it is done, delete the installation file to save space on your device. Before opening your new media center, you should always protect your privacy. I recommend using a VPN like IPVanish. You can find it on the same download page. Once installed, you can connect to servers in cities like Boston or Toronto. This keeps your online activity private and secure from tracking. Now open Kodi and allow the necessary permissions for media access. To really unlock its potential, go to the system settings and then add-ons. Turn on the unknown sources toggle so you can add your own content. From here, you can add a file source and install a wizard to automate your setup. Using this one app strategy is the smartest way to manage your home theater in 2026. It keeps your interface clean and your streaming experience smooth. If this guide helped you simplify your tech life, give this video a like and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.